Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Potion Creating. I love this show. I really do. Today we're going to be using some yellow monster or white pineapple monster and some C4 starburst, pink starburst. It says beta power strawberry. And you know what we're going to be making today? Monster candy. That's what I'm going to be calling this drink. Got our bottle ready? I don't know if I'm using a splash bottle, so I don't know if this is the best bottle to be using because this flavor is so strong. I cleaned this out and still I can smell a little bit of orange. Hopefully it don't mess with the flavor. I really hope it don't. But let's give this a try, yeah. Welcome back to another episode of Potion Crate. I did have an idea for what this potion would be for. Just forgot. How about this potion being for keeping the planet healthy, spinning fast. Nah, that doesn't sound healthy. Spinning at normal speed. Let's see, actual monster candy. What should this be a potion for? Since we're using only 2 cans, I'm not going to be measuring it out like usual. Let's add this yellow monster while we think. Oh, almost spilled some. Look at that. I think we'll do 2 lines. A little bit more. Do 3 lines. There we go. I got up to the, oh snap. Almost started pouring off the side. I did. Let me give this a try. I never tried this one before. That's interesting. It legit tastes like a sliced up pineapple in there. Like that pineapple, that the tartness that pineapple gives you, but also the sweet flavor. The exact same way it tastes like a pineapple. If you like pineapple, you're gonna like some monster white pineapple. That's pretty good. Oh wait, there's an aftertaste. So let me check with this to make sure, like it's not gonna make it taste any different. Now I know what it tastes like. Oh, that wasn't big enough taste. Okay, no, it's not gonna make a difference. Tastes the same. Okay, now we're gonna be adding our C4 strawberry starburst. Look at this can. This can's so cool. Now this can has no sugar in it, but what I was thinking, since this one does have sugar in it, boom, we still got us a strong energy drink. One can needs, like, honestly, I think this is the best way to do it too, because if I'm mixing 2 cans that have a lot of sugar, like these energy drinks tend to do, that's not going to be good for my health. But if I'm mixing one that's sugared and one that's non-sugared, I'm just making a new flavor then at that point. It should be somewhat more healthier. So here we go. I never tried this one either, so I'm going to give it a taste test. Oh man, hold on. It's so weird. It needs sugar. It really does. Oh. It needs sugar, it's too sour. There needs sweetness in it. C4 had some sweetness in it. Really. Way too sour. Hope this pineapple eases down the taste, because I didn't really like that much. Dang, I'm spilling again. Great. Now my pants are going to be energized, because I'm spilling this all over my pants. Okay, I'm going to try to fill it up to the same amount. There we go. Just adding 3 lines. Ooh, this C4 one does taste good. It has a horrible aftertaste. Keep spilling it too. What's this? Thirsty for more? Join C4 Rewards, earn $10 credit today. Dang. This can was like worth 2 cans were $4. So if you joined that, you basically could get 4 cans. Yeah, you would be able to get more. Here we have our monster candy, some street C4 strawberry, some monster white pineapple. Hopefully it tastes good. We're about to find out right now. Here we go. I'm a little bit worried because that C4 wasn't good at all because it's 0 sugar. Actually, okay, we found out a new trick. You don't like 0 sugar drinks or energy drinks? Take that 0 sugar drink, mix it with the sugar energy drink, and boom, you got that flavor. Now basically I could taste the strawberry starburst a little bit more without having to taste that tartness of the sugarless. The white pineapple helps out too. It's like a mix. It's an interesting mix. It's very sweet. I think that's good. Holy crap, it don't have no more aftertaste. Honestly, it took away the aftertaste. I didn't think it'd turn out this good. I was like, oh, okay, maybe it'd be okay. But then that turned out good. Monster candy. 9 out of 10. Wait, one more. 10 out of 10. This got it. This is good. This is real good right here. Oof. It's like a spicy sweet flavor it has to it. That's why I'm giving it such a high flavor. It's a new flavor. It really is. Like, if you knew what was in it, basically you'd know, okay, I can taste the starburst, I can taste the pineapple. But if you didn't know what was in that drink, it'd probably only few of you with awesome taste, but well, not awesome, but with strong taste buds would be able to tell what's in that drink. That's how it really does taste like a new flavor that much. I'm giving it 10 out of 10. It's great. It's awesome. This I didn't like, you know. I don't like 0 sugar energy drinks. They just never taste that good to me. But wow, now we know. Take a 0 sugar energy drink, add a sugar energy drink to it, and bang, watch a magic happen. What's this potion for? We'll say creating music. Yeah, that's it. Monster candy. Because I remember there's these headphones, skull candy headphones, yeah. And they'd have the little skull logo on them. They were cool headphones. They worked good too, but they worked okay because I remember them like having a lifespan of probably 4 or 5 months. But still, that's where I'm getting the idea from. This energy drink here, our Monster Candy, it's to help with us producing music, making music, and having fun with music, freestyling with the instruments, whether it's, you know, whatever in the music part. You drink you some Monster Candy, and it's gonna really make you push yourself. You'll be making music as good as the king of pop. Which one? You pick. Stay awesome, people. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Potion Creating as much as I enjoyed making it. We're going to be making some energized gaming through this, of course, because I'm going to have 3 bottles of... I think I'm going to mix it again because I really don't like the C4. So I'm probably going to have 2 bottles of this. So we'll have 2 episodes of Potion Creating, or my bad, energized gaming. Just making sure. Look a little bit cloudy. Like that didn't look. It didn't look cloudy at first. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed that. Hope you all stay awesome. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for being you. For those that stuck around to the end here, I was thinking about showing you all what we're going to be making in the next potion creating episode, but then I thought about it. How about this? Instead, just because you'll go get to see the next episode. But that drink that we just made was so good, I think I'm going to remake it in the future. And, like, probably, whatever, whenever. And add just a few more ingredients to it. I think if I topped it off with Sprite, it would have been way more than 10 out of 10, but 20 out of 10. So that's what's interesting about this series. Like, as I'm making these drinks, I could taste like what can go better into them and make them even better to kind of finalize them, basically. So Monster Candy, there might be a version 2 of Monster Candy. No, there not might be. They will be a version of Monster Candy version 2. But it's gonna have a different name, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a different name. But I'm still deciding on the final and other, not secret ingredient. You're all going to get to see it, but the final ingredient. So I know I gotta top it off with Sprite, but I feel like there's like maybe one more thing to top it off with. Maybe another soda, or maybe even another energy drink. Who knows? Honestly, until then, maybe it's just Sprite. Maybe that's it. Honestly, I think I just needs that little Sprite to make it really fire. But yeah, for sure. We'll see. I'll see. As I'm making more potions until we get there, I'm pretty sure I'll come across a drink that's like, ooh, that'd be good to go with that one, and then that'll be the fourth ingredient. So yeah, this one was a really awesome one, 10 out of 10. But if it had just one more awesome ingredient with it, it'd have for sure been 20 out of 10, for sure. It's smooth tasting energy drink. You gotta give this a try, people. Mix, and then the cool thing is, get yourself 2 water bottles when you do this, empty them out, and then, half the can of Monster pineapple, white pineapple, in one, and then on top of that, pour some C4 strawberry starburst energy drink, and then you can do that with the other bottle. You got 2 energy drinks now, and these are fire flavors too, very smooth stuff. I'm excited to do my next energized while gaming episode. I'm not lying to you all, because that drink's fire, and I'm ready to drink it already. The other one, like, maybe I might just do the next part today. That's how we did the first one, 3 videos in one day. But nah, I should save it for tomorrow. It'd be more fun. But anyways, yeah, so that's a little, what's to come for everyone that stuck here to the ending. Thanks for watching y'all through this whole 10-minute, 11-minute video. Thanks for being you. Thanks for staying awesome. Later, everyone.